Okay, in this last video, we are going to see the last detail we have to change in functions to make them more reusable. So far, every time we were creating a function, we're doing this. We're calling it public, static, and void. So now we're going to start changing this a little bit. The void means that the function will do whatever it's supposed to do, and it doesn't have a return value. Okay, what does that mean? So when a function, now let's rephrase that. So far, all our functions are just showing things directly, either in the console. Last class, we created methods that showed something directly in a text box, for example. Okay, the thing is, this is not very reusable because it depends that you always have a specific place to show your information. Instead of doing that, we can change a little bit the function. For example, I don't need to tell inside the function what it's supposed to do with the random name. I can have it draw a name randomly and just return this string to me, and I can use this string however I like. To do that, we have to change some things. First, in this case, this function is going to return a string. So we change from void to string. The second thing, instead of making the function itself show the data on the console, I'm going to replace that with the instruction return. So now when we call this function, it's going to return this value. What does that mean? I could actually call this, let's have it, I have it here already, so name draw, my students. I can actually use this as a variable for the result of the function. Let's see how. I'll use the system out print line, and inside the parentheses, instead of calling a variable, I call the function with the parameter. If I do that and run the file, it's working just as it would otherwise.